Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got something new to share with you. Well, at least new to my channel. Petite Ave. I'm laughing because you're probably saying, Kayla, you've tried all of the subscription services, haven't you? I think we're close, right? So anyway, Petite Ave, as the name states, it's for petites. Sometimes petite clothing works a little bit better for me. I am only 5'2", and so sometimes like the cut and the fit of things in petite sizes is just a bit better. So with Petite Ave, I've seen a couple of other YouTubers try this service and it seems pretty promising. I paid $25 for the styling fee. That does get credited to anything that you keep. What else was I gonna tell you? Oh, they sent me a preview for my items. I don't know if they do this all of the time, but they sent me a preview for my first bag and they said, you know, is this kind of what you were looking for? I like that. I know some of you like to be surprised, but I like to know what's coming. I'm a peeker. That hasn't changed. So I'm like, oh, that looks great. I didn't decline anything. There's one shirt that I saw Heather over at Hey It's Heather receive and I loved it. I thought it looked cute on her and they actually put that in my bag without me asking. So I thought that was really cool. What else? I have a pair of jeans. I know I don't need any more denim, but they're cut from the cloth. I wanted to try them out. All right, let's see what's in my bag. I'll be right back with the try on. Okay, so here's the first top. This is the same top that Heather over at Hey It's Heather got. I think it's adorable. This is by the brand Sugarlips. This is the floral print shoulder tie top. It's $42, but there's a 10% discount on this box. I have to see what that's from, which is nice, right? I'm not complaining. And I like that they did the math for me. So the price I would pay would be $37.80. It's an extra large. It's 100% rayon. It's just adorable. It does have buttons here and it ties at the shoulder. So you can untie them and adjust them to how, you know, you'd like, if you'd like it to be a bit looser or a bit tighter. I do really like that. I've got to play around with them just to see. I don't know where I'd want them hanging. They're very cute. I think the length is good. This top would look really cute with white pants, with white jeans, white shorts even. I think it's adorable. What do you think? And it has a small floral print. When Heather tried this on, she's like, Kayla normally doesn't like small floral prints, but I think she'd like this one. She was right. I love it. I think it's so cute. Yeah, so fun too. I think it's so unique with the shoulder ties. You know, we always get those ties at the bottom. One of you called them toilet ties. And I thought that was so funny. Or, you know, we get the ties on the side. I like the look of the ties on the shoulders. I think it's cute. All right, let me show you the back of them. Yeah, I think it's a really cute tank. It feels very nice and breathable. All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Working on my coffee, so you're gonna have to forgive me that I forgot to look at the tag. This is actually a large. Yeah, they didn't send me an extra large. I think I said it was an extra large, but it's actually a large. I'm gonna see if I can exchange it because I did watch back and it was pulling a little bit across the bust area. Always happens to me, huh? This one, so I'm gonna see if I can size up. But look at the pretty print. I realized I also didn't bring it closer. I've had a couple more sips, so you know what? I'll be better at this one. You gotta forgive me, okay? All right, so this next blouse, I wanted to try it because I loved the color. They're calling this red. This is, to me, is more of a rust color, and I love that color because not only can I wear it now, but I can bring it into the fall and layer it. All right, this is by Malandrino. It's the red crochet blouse. So it's marked at $49, but with the 10%, it would be $44.10. 96% viscose, 4% spandex. The lace is 100% cotton. Let me show you the lace close up. What do you think? I love the keyhole detail here. I think that's a little fun touch. I think the lace is beautiful. I just don't know about the cut of this for me. What do you think? And I don't know about the flowiness. I was so hopeful for this top because I love the color. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. I'm on the fence. I mean, it would look cute. You guys know my wedges from TJ Maxx. Those, they've got the two bands and one of the bands has like the sparkles. I've shown them so many times. It would be a cute look with this, maybe like a boho type of look, but I don't know. Let me know what you think about this top. Is it too flowy, you know? Does it have too much movement? Sometimes the flowy tops can make me look pregnant, you know? I don't know. Let me know about this one. I love the color. I think the color is gorgeous. And like I said, you could bring it into the fall. Yeah, you see the flowiness as I'm moving? Let me know though. Let me show you the back of it. It's very soft. The material feels great. So I don't know. I'll watch back and see. All right, I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day. I lost the footage from this top, or me trying on this top. I have no idea what happened to it. I'm editing the video and I'm like, where's the 5th piece? So here I am refilming this top. So I already did film it. Anyway, let me tell you about it. It's by the brand Jolie. This is the striped tank with side cinch, and the price is $39, but with the 10% off, it's $35.10. It's in a size large. It's a poly rayon spandex blend. I believe it was 88%. I'm not gonna mess up the percentages. I will leave them below if you're interested. So I think it's a really cute top. It's in a size large. Now remember, they didn't have my measurements when they sent me the pieces. I actually don't think it's too bad. It is a little bit, you know, form-fitting. I love the neckline. You know I love a good V neckline. The only thing that I don't care for with this top, you see, you're gonna see when I turn around, the stripes don't match up from the front to the back. The material feels great. I actually like the side cinching here with the ties. Whoops, this one came untied a little bit. Let me retie this. I kind of feel like it brings me in a bit. Don't you think? I like that look, but I'm just kind of bummed that the side or the stripes don't match up from the front to the back. Yeah, what do you think? Let me know what you think. All right, let me show you the back of it. Yeah, it's very comfortable. It'd be a very cute top to wear casually with like black shorts with denim, you know, but just, I don't know. I think if the stripes matched up, am I being too picky with that? Let me know. I just kind of feel like they should match up from the front to the back. You know what I mean? Otherwise, I think it's a cute tank. All right, I'll be right back. You will see me try on the jeans next. All right, hang on. Okay, so I'm filming the denim section of this video again. I feel like, okay, I got a new phone about a month ago. It's an iPhone, the iPhone 11, and I feel like things go missing. I've been having so many problems with my new phone, and I was talking to my friend about it, and she's like, yeah, I have the same thing, and her boyfriend was too. So it's like, I think everyone's having problems with their new phones. So I'm glad it's not just me. But things are going missing. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, these are cut from the Kloth, and these are the Catherine boyfriend jeans, and they're in a size 16. They're originally $89, but the 10% off brings it down to $80.10. Now the 10%, I did look it up. The 10% is from using somebody else's link. So when you use somebody's link, you get a 10% discount, and so do they. That's awesome, because you get your $25 credited back, plus you get that 10% taken off, which is nice. All right, so I do like these, but I just feel like they're a bit baggy. I don't know if they're too big. So they're more of a high waist. I can pull them. So I think that's probably a bad sign. I didn't have to unzip them and unbutton them to put them on or take them off. So that means I probably should size down if I were to keep them. What do you think about them? I like the wash. They have a bit of distressing here right below the knee on this side. I think that's all the distressing that these have. They did come cuffed, but that's a perfect length for me. I like them. I just don't know. What do you think about them? Let me show you the back. I think because they're a different cut than what I'm used to, I'm just thrown off. They're very comfortable though. I think that's what the boyfriend cut. It's supposed to be a little bit more loose. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. You're gonna see me try on the dress next. Okay, so I thought this dress would be really fun to try as well, so I had them send it to me. And this is by the Vanity Room. It's the floral square neck dress. So it's $59, but with the 10%, it would be $53.10. And what am I missing? The material, 96% polyester, 4% spandex. What do you think? I kind of like this dress. I think because the square neck comes down a bit lower, it kind of balances out my broad shoulders. You know what I mean? So if the square necklines are higher up, for me, it just makes my shoulders look bigger. I think because this one comes down a bit, it's okay. I kind of like this dress. I think it's fun. I think it's very feminine looking. I don't own much purple, and this is like a light purple. Look at the pretty floral print. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? And that kind of brings you in at the waist a bit. Yeah. Oh, I think I like this dress. It hits me right at my knee. Yeah, I think it's so cute. Let me know what you think about this dress. I've been pulling for dresses a lot lately, and I think this would be fun to add. Now, this one is just white with black. You know, the floral print is white and black. You could put a white cardigan over it. I have that cute white shrug that I could wear with this. Even like a white denim jacket, even black, maybe like a black. I don't have a black denim jacket, but That might be cute too. What do you think about this dress? I'm liking it. I really am. What do you think? I'm kind of surprised by it because I was kind of taking a gamble when I had them send it to me with the square neckline, because like I said, square necklines can be tough, but I really like the pattern. I like the cut of this dress. This might be a keeper. Let me show you the back of it. I like the movement of it. It's not so tight where it's like you can't move, you know what I mean? I like having some movement with my dresses. Yeah, I'm really liking this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm having fun. All my fun, flowy dresses. All right, I'll be right back. What do we got? Oh, that was it. I have 5 pieces, so let me change and we'll do a quick recap. Okay, so I thought this was a great first box. I was impressed. My first impression, 2 thumbs up. I think that now that they have my sizing, because remember, I didn't send them my sizes, which was my fault because they asked before. I didn't send it to them until after they sent out the box. So yeah, I think with the next box, it could only get better, right? So here are my thoughts so far. So the most expensive thing in this box was, yep, to be expected, the cut from the Kloth jeans. But you know, I don't know. I kind of feel like they were a bit baggy. Let me know what you think though. That might be how the Catherine jeans are supposed to fit. Maybe. I really like this dress. I think it's so cute. It'll be a good dress to have, you know, even through next year. Like, think of this as a pretty spring dress. I could wear it through the rest of the summer, but this will be a pretty string dress. Oh goodness. Let me finish my coffee, before I start my next video. That might be a good idea. I didn't tell you, it zippers down the back. I didn't have to zip or unzip it to get it on. I just pulled it over my head. This was an extra large. I don't think I told you that, but I looked at the tag. It's an extra large. I really like this dress. Yeah, I really do. I love the cut of it. I think it's a very flattering cut. So I think I'm going to keep that. And then I think I'm going to ask to size up, if hopefully they have it, in this cute tie shoulder top. I really like this one. So I'm going to see if I can exchange it. I think those are the 2 that I'm going to keep. What do you think about my choices? I did like the striped one too. I'm on the fence about this one. I don't like the flowiness of this one, I don't think. I just thought it was too flowy, and I'm unsure about the fit of the jeans. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts too. I always appreciate your thoughts and opinions. You guys, you know, sometimes you see things that I don't and you point things out, and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much for taking the time to spend with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna tape another video. Actually, I think I have 2 or 3 to tape. I've got a lot of catching up to do, so you may see a lot of me in the same outfit with the same dupe, but I hope that's okay. All right, so I'll see you in my next video.